Vagus nerve. We'll be talking about the 10th nerve of from the cranial nerves. That is the nerve which travels from your cranial region down to the neck and to chest, touching the organs like lungs, heart, liver, then your gastrointestinal tract, touching your small intestine and reproductive organs. As the name suggests, vagus. Vagus is a Latin word which means wanderer. So it is traveling to almost all the organs which are there inside your chest and abdomen. This is the most important nerve which helps you to activate the parasympathetic system. So literally that means if you have anxiety, if you have any breathing or lung related disorder, if you have hypertension, if you have high palpitation, stress, or any problem related to indigestion, that is constipation, acidity, or gastric problems,
Above all, hormonal imbalance.
this video is for you. Let me tell you a few exercises, a few techniques that will stimulate the vagus nerve, that will help you coming out of the problems I told you. The first exercise is you need to lie down flat on the back. So we need to have a cushion at our lower abdomen, the sacrum region. You need to lie down, taking the sacrum just above the cushions. So your lower abdomen and the chest is a little higher than your chest. So the flow of blood will be more inside the head. You need to take your hands up and take the palms backside of the head. Expanding your chest to full, you need to breathe deeper. The exhalations should be a little longer than inhalations. And you need to hold the breath for a while after inhaling. Inhale, pull, hold the breath for a while, holding the breath inside, then taking a little extra time, exhale out. Inhale again. After complete inhalation, hold the breath for some time inside only. When you feel uneasy, exhale out slowly. You can repeat this exercise, the breathing process, 5 to 7 times. That will be good enough to stimulate the vagus nerve. Now the second one, slowly turn sideways and let's sit straight up. The second one is stimulation of the ears, because the nerve travels from your medulla, it comes down close to the ear, then going down through your neck, then it comes down at the center of the chest. It works in a pair, like two nerves are moving, one from left side and one from right. Then it goes down slowly encircling, touching, this side, encircling and touching your liver, and then coming to the small intestine, then down to the reproductive organs. So, will be we can massage each and every area. So let's start the ear massage first. You have the soft bones inside the ear, so let's massage that. Let's press it down, take it up and down. A gentle massage, a light stimulation there. You need to do it at both ears. You can do it from half a minute to 3 minutes. stimulating and massaging every single bone of the ear, and pulling the ear backside a few times, then upside down, pulling the ear down and taking it up, and massaging it with the index and middle finger, taking it either side of the ear, massage it up and down. That will stimulate and reset your vagus nerve. Now, the other one is the neck exercise. As I told you that the vagus nerve travels from backside of the head close to the medulla, then close to the ear, that it comes down at the side of the neck. So it is a pair actually, so it's coming both sides, left and right. So let's stretch the neck also. You need to raise your hand up, right hand up, placing it at the left side and gently drop it down. Keep pressing the left shoulder down towards the ground. Keep breathing deeper. You can hold this posture 30 to 60 seconds. Relax. Changing the side. Let's stretch it down other side. Breathing is deep again. Relax. Easy. As I told you, that the root of the vagus is from medulla close to the ear, then down at the neck, then at the center of the chest, touching the heart, lungs, and the liver. It comes down, then encircling your stomach. It goes down to the small intestine and touching the reproductive organs also. So you can do a light massage also on the same route with all your fingertips this way. As I told you, the vagus nerve works on the parasympathetic nervous system. So it cools your heart down. The acceleration of breath is also normalized, and the liver secretes the right kind of enzymes and the bile, leaving the adrenal gland. It stimulates every organ which is related to the parasympathetic nervous system. So it takes care of the anxiety, palpitation, any breath or lung related disorder. It helps to maintain your gastrointestinal canal also, keeping you away from indigestion, constipation, gastric problems, acidity.
reproductive health, and hormonal balance.
There are other exercises which may help you stimulating the vagus nerve, that is gargles. So you need to fill your mouth with water and looking upside, stretching the throat completely. You should gargle a few times. Emission of the face in very cold water is another therapy that also resets the vagal nerve. You need to keep very cold water and take your whole mouth into the cold water. That resets the vagus nerve. Other than that, probiotics which you intake through the mouth, that keeps your gut healthy, that somehow keeps your vagus nerve very healthy. Other than that, there is a breathing exercise. Let me tell you how to do that. Like, you need to inhale and exhale very long, but you need to keep a certain ratio to stimulate and keep the vagus nerve healthy. That is, inhalation supposing 1, then holding the breath inside is 2, and exhalation is 4. So you can do it. Inhale to in 4 seconds, hold the breath for 8 seconds, exhale out for 16 seconds. Gradually, with practice, you should take it up to 16 seconds for inhalation, 32 seconds for holding the breath inside, and 64 seconds for gentle exhalation. But let's do it for 8 is to 16 is to 32 today. So 8 seconds I will inhale, 16 seconds I'll hold the breath, and for 32 seconds I'll exhale out gently. I'll show you that once, but you need to do it 5 to 7 times. So let's close your eyes. For once, just deep inhale and exhale. Now I'll take 8 seconds to inhale slowly, gradually, no pressure. Face and head relaxed. Inflating the chest and the abdomen. Now I'll hold the breath for 16 seconds, inside only. I'll take 32 seconds to exhale, very gradual and slow. Relax. Easy. Remember, you should not push yourself too much. If 4 to 8 to 16 suits you, that is good. If 8 is to 16 is to 32 suits you, that's very good. If it still it's easy, you can go for 16 to 32 to 64. That is the ideal one. Gradually with practice, you need to take yourself to that level. Another therapy for vagus nerve is foot reflexology. Let me show you how to press the pressure points of the foot, that is from your cranial region to diaphragm. Let me show you how to do that practically.
We need to choose the area from the cranial region to diaphragm. So that is there just down below the joint of the big toe. You need to stimulate it. Press it down again and again with your thumb tip. And then drifting out to the little out to the side. Then slowly, gradually, clockwise rotations with your thumb down at the center of the foot where you will find a bone. So press it a little harder. Keep pressing it in a clockwise direction. So this is the channel. You need to press, and you need to press it down also at the sole of the foot. So press it with your fingertips. Keep pressing and slowly, gradually pressing it with all the fingertips down and coming down to the center of the foot where the diaphragm pressure point is there. Keep pressing it there again and again. You should be pressing the pressure points 1 minute to 3 minutes upside, 1 minute to 3 minutes down also. You can do it maximum twice a day. Do not do it more than that. And do not press it too hard, otherwise, the pressure points die.
I hope you understand the parasympathetic nervous system. That is, whenever you have stress, I mean the fight or flight situation. So, to cool down that, your parasympathetic system is activated, and vagus nerve helps and plays a major role activating the parasympathetic nervous system. So, it instantly relaxes your heart, your lungs, your liver, your small intestine, and the reproductive organs, leaving the adrenal gland only. So it's a very important nerve, the 10th one, I should say. So if you want to stay away from anxiety, stress, palpitation, gastrointestinal problems, any kind of acidity, ulcers, gastric problems, so these exercises would be best for you. I request you to like, subscribe, and share my videos. All the best to you. Thank you.